Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a wrap to go. So it is super quick, super easy. You can prepare the day before and you can prepare during the day. So it will be a very brilliant lunch or dinner, light dinner recipe. So in the recipe you will need some tortilla wraps. So here I have some, because I really want to spread well, so instead of using the big one, I'm using the mini tortilla wrap. You can also use the big one. So and I've also got some sliced onions, sliced lettuce, some tomato, some beans. You can use different beans. The kidney beans can be a good option, and you can also use the white beans, mung beans, any type of beans if you like. And I also have some sliced mushrooms. And so for the dressing, instead of using yogurt, today I'm just gonna use hummus. So you can also use yogurt, use cheese spread, and use different sauces, the basic mayonnaise, ketchup, so mustard, so any type of sauces you would like to having a wrapper. So we're gonna start preparing. So I have a pan with me because I want to heat it up a little bit, warm up a little bit of the tortilla. So I'm just gonna put it in and get a little bit high heat. It's totally optional. You don't have to do that. If you want to eat it now, so I would recommend warm a little bit. It gives a nice warm texture of the wrap. But if you're going to prepare for the next day, you can just use right away. So you just, because I already have my pan hot, so I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit. And meanwhile, if you like chili, you can also, I have some mixed chili. You can just singly slice and put it on top. So I'm just gonna get some chili. Okay, I can hear the pan start to, now it's ready, so it's warm, nice. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna scoop some hummus and will spread on my wrap. Some mixed chili. You can keep the whole bean. It gives a little bit texture, or you can just use the whole bean. Some sliced mushrooms, and I have some tomato. And some lettuce. Onion as well. So you can also have some lime juice. And lemon juice. Pinch of salt and pepper. And also, if you would like to have some sauces on top, that would be brilliant. For non-vegetarian options, you can prepare some cooked chicken breast or turkey breast, and just to keep it cold in a container in the fridge, you can just take it out and shred it a little bit, put it on. So now I'm just gonna wrap it nicely. And meanwhile, you still have your pan warm. What you want to do is just put in the pan and heat it up a little bit. Just to sear a little bit outside. Be careful, you don't really want to burn your fingers. So I can hear sizzlings. Gives a nice turn. Okay. So I always have the container with me. So with this wrap, you can also put a mixed salad with you and put it in your container, then you're ready to go. Okay, so here is the simple recipe of the wrap to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And let me know if you have some other ideas, anything you want to learn, any specific ingredients you're interested in using in your kitchen, or you don't know how to use it. I'll be more than happy to share with you more ideas. And thank you for watching.